everyone, I'm so happy to see you. Today we are going to be working on the farm. We just got our to-do list. We have 6 animals that we need to get into their homes, and also we need to feed them. I think we can do it. Are you guys ready? Let's go! What? Oh my goodness, this farm is so messed up. We need to help these animals get into their homes. The first one we have to do is the pig. Come here, piggy, piggy, piggy. Come on, piggy, piggy, piggy. Yay! We got the pig into his home, the pigsty. The horse wasn't happy, but he jumped on over. Now we need to get that chicken into his home. Come here, chicken. Come down, chicken. We got the chicken into his chicken coop. Now it's time to get the cow down. Look at that silly cow. Come down, cow. Come on, cow. Yes, we got the cow into the grass in his home. Now we need to get the sheep into his home. Come here, little sheep. Come here, sheep. That silly horse is in everyone else's home but his own. Oh my goodness. Woohoo! We got the sheep to his home. Now it's time to get that silly horse into his home. Come here, horse. Come here, horsey. Yay! We got the horse into the barn, and then the duck went into his home. Double win! Guess what? Woo-hoo-hoo! We got all 6 animals into their homes. Now we just need to feed them. Are you guys ready? Let's go! Time to eat, little piggy. Now that the pig is fed, it's time to feed the chickens. Time to eat, chicken. Now that the chicken is fed, it's time to feed the cow. Time to eat, cow. Now we are ready to feed the sheep. Time to eat, sheep. Time to eat, horse. to do is to feed the duck. Let's go. Time to eat, duck. Yay! We got all 6 animals into their homes and we fed them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye!